Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to write an ISO to a USB stick to allow you to install a new operating system on your computer. There are many software to do this procedure. I will show you Universal USB installer. I agree. You can select your distro. This is a good way to discover Linux distro that you didn't know about. Now let's install the TilesOS in Anonymous browser. Let's take our ISO, select drive our USB stick and click create. Now I won't do it because I will show you another software. The second software is named Rufus. It is a little more advanced because it allows you to select the partition scheme. This is very important because MBR it will allow you to install the operating system on an old computer with BIOS. While a GPT partition scheme it will allow you to install it on a new computer, for example from 2012 onwards, because GPT partition scheme was created by computers to allow you to install Windows 8 back in 2012, and it was required to install Windows 8. As to the file system, FAT32 is recommended, but when you will create a Windows install USB stick, it will do NTFS, but it will all be automatic. For example, let's start white ISO image mode. It is recommended. It is if it doesn't work, use TD image mode disk drive. Okay, all data will be deleted. Click OK, and it is writing our image to the USB stick. It has almost finished to copy the ISO file onto the USB stick. It is copying the last files, finalizing and ready. Now click close, and you can use your USB stick to boot a live Linux system, or if you prefer to install that system on your main computer. Now to boot the system that you wrote onto the USB stick, first of all reboot your operating system. After the restart, keep pressing the key to enter the computer BIOS. For this computer F2 because it is an Acer laptop. If it asks a password, type the password, enter. Now go into boot with F6, F5, boot priority order up or low. Your USB stick should be on the top. Exit saving changes. And as you can see, it is loading with our USB stick. Congratulations guys, now you are booting from the USB stick. See you later guys.